Hey guys, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. So I've been cleaning out my garage, for I guess about a month now, as I'm trying to wind down and go into a semi-retirement mode, and finding a lot of stuff that I had forgotten that I had gotten, and came up on this tachometer here. And I got this from a guy that restored Mopar B bodies and C bodies from the 60s through the early 70s. That was his thing. And he had to close up his shop. And I knew the guy, he had done some work for me, and subbed out some cars to him. And he called me and said, I need to come, you can come buy. Basically, I bought him out, is what I did. About 4 loads, truck and trailer loads of parts, and a couple, I think I bought a couple of cars from him. Anyway, this tach, I'm guessing right through there is how you adjust the, well, I don't see there's a screwdriver slot down in there. I don't know if you can see, but I don't see a RPM limit or a red line. I don't know if it's supposed to be one in there or not, and I'm not sure what this little tab here is for. I don't even know if that's it. I think that's just made into that. But it's RPM times 100, and it goes up to 8 grand. And it's got the chrome face bezel. Looks like it has some kind of black plastic covering on the back that you could see where it's made in USA. You could be seen through that. So that was just sprayed on. And the mounting, pretty generic, basic mounting. And I'm guessing the wiring harness came out through this hole here. Now, I went online. I was thinking that this was a tach from maybe a mid-60s Mopar, but it doesn't appear to be. The closest thing I can find is there's some Chevrolet tachs that were real kind of similar to this. I'm pretty sure they're made by Sun, but there's also a Dixco tach that will look similar to this. The thing about it is the number pattern here and all the graduations of the different RPM limit areas. There's plenty of tachs that look similar, but I haven't found one yet that looked exactly like this one. So I'm not sure what this came off of. If you know for sure, because believe me, I was on the internet for quite a while last night and could not find anything that looked exactly like this. Now, back in the day, you could buy tachs from the local car auto parts, mom and pop auto parts store, from catalogs like J.C. Whitney. And like I said, Sun has one, Sun tach. And it clearly says Sun tach right in there. It looks similar, but not quite. And that was, I even saw a Dixco. Now, I have seen some marine tachs and OEM tachs that were like this, but they stopped at 5,000 or 6,000. Even I think I even saw one that was 3,500, which would have been for a diesel powered marine application. So this is clearly at 8 grand. This is clearly a racing hot rod tach, and I'm kind of thinking it's aftermarket, and it's probably generic. So it's probably made by Sun, and it was sold through a catalog or local department store, maybe a Walgreens, not a Walgreens, but a, what do you call it, not Walmart. I've gone brain dead, but back in the day, Sears, Roebuck department stores sold stuff like this, or a local mom and pop auto parts store. So anyway, I would like to sell this, but I need to find out the value of it, and kind of would like to find out what it went to. I may have a customer that could need this if he's working on a vehicle that this would have been the original equipment in, but again, I think it's aftermarket. So if you got some ideas, or if you know for a fact, please in the comments let me know. If you got any idea what it's worth. Based on my research last night, I see a lot of these tachs that roughly in the $50 range. I think there was a couple a little over that, but they were in better shape than this one. Some guys, I posted on Facebook, some guys that said, hey, they paid $600. Seen people pay $600 for them. I don't know about all that. Maybe, but I don't think so. I think this is just a regular, generic, off-the-shelf aftermarket item. So give me the thumbs up on this video, and let me know what you think. And while you're at it, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, because we're always doing different videos and automotive content. We've got over 4 years now of automotive content on the channel. Something I'm sure you would like on there. We do car shows, we do swap meets, drag racing, junkyard crawls, private collections, and even some stuff we're working on in the shop. We show some of that. So scroll down, find something else you like, share with your friends, and hit the like button on that too. And I'd appreciate it if you watch the commercials, because that really helps pay for this stuff. This stuff is getting crazy. The prices on stuff, it's just getting unreal. All right, folks, Bob out.